Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn about how to solve Hardhat custom error, which is basically occur during writing Hardhat test cases. So let's get started. Here you can see I have set up the basic Hardhat project by npx Hardhat. I am using version 2.22.6 which is latest version of Hardhat. After that, I have taken a sample ERC20 smart contract. For that, I have written a smart test cases. Here you can see sample ERC20 smart contract, which I taken from Open Zeppelin Wizard. This is basic script file where you can write deploy script. This is test file. In this test file, I have written the basic test cases for smart contract, like should set a right donor, should have a correct name and symbol, should mint the token correctly, and one more test case is should only allow the owner to mint token. Here we are using Ownable library, so we have written the test case for that. It should allow only owner to call this function. Let's compile our smart contract. This is ERC20 smart contract. npx Hardhat compile, which is already compiled contract. Let's test it. npx Hardhat test. So here you can see our three tests are running successfully, but last one is showing error, which is custom error. Here you can see assertion error. In our test we have written ownable caller is not owner, which is reverted with, but we can't handle this function with reverted with the method of Hardhat. So we have to first debug which custom error this test case is throwing. So let's test it again. Here you can see Ownable unauthorized account. Because we are using Ownable libraries, it is showing this error. To handle such kind of error, we have to write some different method, which is reverted with custom error. It is available in official documentation also. So here we have to pass smart contract address, error in string, and if the error having some arguments, so we have to pass that arguments. So first smart contract, which is token smart contract. After that, this message ownable unauthorized account. After that, we have to pass argument also in with argument function. Here you can see one address is there, I think, which is address 1. So we have to pass it in with argument function. So this address is also in a string format. For that, let's see which address we are using. Here you can see line number 49, we are using address 1 to connect, so we have to use this address only. So address 1 dot address, that address. Right, then we can try to run our test case. npx Hardhat test. Here you can see our all tests are running successfully. So we have used reverted with custom error method. This error occurred because of we have used Ownable library. Instead of that, we can use only owner modifier also. So we can pass any custom error in modifier function. That's all for this video. Do like, share and subscribe.